Hi, my name is Tisha Richmond, and I'm going to show you how to create book snaps in Canva for Education. Let's get started. The first thing that you are going to do is you're going to create a design from your homepage in Canva. So I'm going to click up here, create a design. Now, this design can be whatever dimension you want it to be. It could be a presentation size. It could be a Twitter post size. It could even be a video design. It's up to you. So I'm going to click create design, and I'm going to create this so it's the size of a typical Twitter post because I want to post it on social media. When I click on Twitter post under create a design, it's going to bring me into the design so I can start creating my book snap. So the first thing that you're going to do once you're in your design is you're going to bring in a picture of the book that you want to create a book snap for. So I'm going to bring in a cover of a book that I've already taken a picture of, and I've uploaded it into my uploads in Canva. So you can upload any files that you want to right here within Canva. So I'm going to bring in my book. And now it is in my design, and I can make it whatever size that I want to make it by dragging these little dots on the corners of my book. Now what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to bring in a page for my book that I want to share my thinking about. So once I've brought in the book, now I can bring in an excerpt of text, a page from the book. So a student could take a picture of a page of the book on their device and then upload it into Canva by going into uploads, just like we did with the book cover, and pulling a file from their Chromebook or another location. The part of the book that I want to capture is right here in my files. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on it. It's going to bring it into my design. And now I can position this however I want to position it. So let's say that I wanted to concentrate on this bottom part right down here. So I'm going to cut off the rest. And now I'm going to expand this so it's a little bit bigger. Now I have some choices to make. I can go into my elements and I could find either thought bubbles, I could find different arrows, I could find different circles to circle part of the text. I can bring in emojis. Another option that I have is I can go down into my More menu and I can click on my Draw tool. And that is going to allow me to highlight portions of the text. And so I might decide that I want to highlight this part down here that says, what if we approach learning itself as fun, as something to be undertaken in wonder, curiosity, and play. So I highlight that part. I maybe want to bring in an emoji. So I'm going to click on my emojis up on the top. And I'm going to bring that into my design as well. And I'll move it off to the bottom here. And then I might want to add a thought bubble. So I'm going to click on a thought bubble. And I'm going to position that kind of on the left of my screen. And I'm going to add a text box. So I'm going to click over here and add a text box in my thought bubble. And I'm going to write, I want all students to experience the wonder of learning. I'm going to move that so that it fills up my bubble. I can make the font bigger if I want to. I can spread that out. I can even change my background if I would like to. So I can go to background and I can change this into maybe a yellow background or an orange background. I'll make it kind of a turquoise to match the underline. And I can embellish this however I want to. I can bring in other graphics. I can bring in photos, whatever I want to do to be able to capture my learning in this book snap. Now, when you are ready to share, you're going to go up to share. You're going to be able to share this as a link, or you can download it in a variety of formats like JPEG, PNG, PDF, MP4, or GIF if there's some animation in here. And you could even post this on social media if you want to. So have fun creating book snaps with your students.